Hi guys, Jimmy Marshall 50 fan here. We're going to do a rebuild on Man United because they didn't have a good season last season, and we're going to hopefully win Champions Leagues and hopefully win the Premier League this season. So we're going to play as Ruben Amorim. Let's hope we win Champions League and Premier League. Let's restart the world class, please. Let's get into it. So let's look at our team here. Let's look at our team. So team here, 5 at the back. I like to play a 4-3-3. I'm going to play here with a CDM, so Casemiro can play in that CDM position. So we're going to put Casemiro in that CDM position, and we're going to bring Kobbie Mainoo. Owen Lehman is in too for Bayern there. And let's get Martinez in for Lenny Yoro. I think the weak spot is our left back there. So let's go and buy a new left back from the Premier League. So I'm hoping to get a good left back from the Premier League. So let's see what there is to buy. Premier League. Oh, Marc Cucurella, Calafiori, Guardiola. Oh, I think we go with Miles Lewis-Skelly here, because he can play in the middle and he can play at left back. Let's approach the buy. Let's try and go 30 million. See what they say. They're pulling out for 30 million. Well, I think we go Marc Cucurella here. I think we do go Marc Cucurella here. I think I can go 35 mil here. See what it says, and they're pulling out. What do I do then? I think if we keep going down, we might get someone good. Andrew Robertson. We can get him for 30 million, I'm sure. Yep, it's got for 30 million. Let's go crucial for you, Andrew. We'll go 3. Then a release clause, no release clause. And that's a signed Andrew Robertson. Let's get him into a team. We've got the Scottish man in our team. Andrew Robertson. He comes in over, I think, Dalot. He goes over Dalot. So we're going to put Andrew Robbo in for Dargu. Let's get into our first game. Let's get into our first game against Arsenal at Old Trafford. So that's our team. Let's get into it. Right, Trafford against Arsenal. Let's get into it. Right. Kobbie Mainoo on the ball. Switches it to Cunha. And to Casemiro. Cunha. Oh, slobby pass. Odegaard getting at Andrew Robertson. Robbo forces him back. They're still in the attack. And Gyökeres. Robbo's been caught wrong side. Good save by Leno. Sesko wins the header to Cunha. Cunha plays it back to Bruno. Bruno into Cunha. Cunha, good ball. Oh, it's unlucky. It's unlucky there. Kobbie Mainoo's won a chest. I thought he was going to win the header there. Mainoo. Kobbie Mainoo loses the ball. Now Arsenal's on the counter attack. Oh, he doesn't play him. I thought he would play Trossard there. Trossard on the ball. Miroslav Skelly. Gyökeres. Odegaard. Moreno. Saka. Trossard. We've won the ball. And Lema's boots out the park. Sesko wins the header. Out to Cunha. Bruno. Casemiro. Great ball from Casemiro there. Bruno back on the ball. Sesko. Oh. Now Arsenal on the counter attack here in the 15th minute, sorry. They're through on the ball. Gyökeres through. Decides to play it back. Saka decides to play it. Oh. Rice is on the ball. Trossard, Gyökeres. Trossard block. And it's a bit of the pitch. Sesko's won that header. And Bueno's running with the ball. Down that right hand side. Decides to cut inside. Plays it to Casemiro. Casemiro back out to Mbeumo. And Bueno plays it back to Casemiro. Bruno. To Casemiro again. To Cunha. Back to Casemiro. Cunha. Back to... No, back to Casemiro. Oh yeah, it was back to Casemiro actually. Mainoo. Casemiro. Sesko. And Bueno. Plays it back. Casemiro. Mainoo. Kobbie Mainoo's on the ball again. Plays to Maserati. Plays it to Mainoo. Oh, it's been so close, I just keep playing it back. Sesko shoots, blocked. And Bueno, blocked. Kobe Mena. Plays it back. Casemiro, shoot. No. And Bueno. Shoot. No. Deliver. And David Raya comes and collects that. Declan Rice on the ball. Declan Rice to Moreno. Mazerovic stops it. Casemiro. Cleared. Sesko wins header. Sesko's won every header he's had. And Sesko's through on goal. Sesko's through. Plays it back. And Bueno shoot. No. Mena. And Bueno shoots. No, he doesn't. Now he shoots. Oh, what a save. Oh, what a block that was. Corners to Man United, I think. Or is it a goal kick? Goal kick. Saka's on the ball. Oh no. Mena. Casemiro. What a ball. Delivered. Oh, keeper saves. 43rd minute, 0-0 Arsenal, Man United 0, Arsenal 0. That's half time now. I'm going to bring on Ugarte for Casemiro. And that's all. Let's get into the second half. Trossard into Gyökeres, Odegaard, good block, Ugarte. Is Man United going to get a counter attack? Man United playing around at the back. Will this pay off though? He's got it through, and Bueno, Mena, Ugarte, Bruno, Robbo. Oh, good pass. Bruno Fernandes to Cunha, and goalish ball. Gyökeres to Saka. Gyökeres back on the ball. Trossard, Gyökeres. Trossard shoots. Saved by Lehmann. Now it's a corner to Arsenal. Rice delivers, keeper's ball. Cunha, Ugarte switches it, and Bueno beats his man for pace. He keeps going. He delivers it. Sesko. Oh, keeper saves it. Arsenal on the ball. Trossard. Oh, bad header. But Mbeumo, Man United on the counter-attack. Mbeumo beats his man. Mbeumo's got open space to drive into. He's driving into that space. He delivers. Oh, Arsenal on the ball. Ugarte's at the edge. Shoots. He does not shoot. He plays it. Is that going to be a corner? No. Saka on the ball. Trossard on the ball now. Oh, good football by Arsenal. Odegaard is through. Bruno Fernandes coming close to danger. Cunha driving, beats his man, and then that's a throw to Man United. Cunha, oh, Arsenal on the counter now. Saka. Gyökeres, Saka. Saka beats his man. Comes to the edge for Rice. White, blocked by Bruno Fernandes. Cunha's driving into that open space that he's got. Plays it into Sesko. Sesko waits for his man to run. Waits for Cunha to run round. Cunha, he's from goal. Decides to cut back. Shoot. No. Shoot. Plays it to Mazarawi. Mazarawi waiting for an option. Ugarte. Mbeumo. Ugarte. Robertson. To Cunha. To Bruno. Fernandes. Fernandes still on the ball. Cunha. It's the 74th minute, 0-0 still. Ugarte and Mbeumo. Oh, wrong decision. Arsenal on the counter attack now. Gravenberch plays to White. Saka, Rice. Delit wins the header, but Gyökeres is there. Ugarte wins the ball. And Mbeumo, he's dribbling it in that space. He's Beck's first man. He's cut him inside. Mena passes it to Ugarte. Ugarte into Robertson. Bruno gets tackled. Now Arsenal on the counter attack in the 80th minute. Decides to play to Miles Lewis Skelly. Gyökeres. Delit wins it. Mazarawi. Lehmans plays it. Ugarte. Mazarawi. Trossard's coming off. Martinelli's coming on. Throw into Man United in the 85th minute. Kobbie Mainoo on the ball. Ugarte. Oh, Arsenal are on the counter attack in the 86th minute. Do not concede. Robertson wins the ball. Man United's playing around at the back in the 88th minute. Mainoo drives. Plays to Mazarawi. Mazarawi plays inside to Sesko. Sesko to Mbeumo. Mbeumo to Ugarte. Shoot! Oh no, wrong decision. And now Arsenal are on the counter attack. How long you playing, ref? Good block, Mainoo. Oh no! Free kick. Man United has been let away there. And the ref, you can't go full time now. And the ref calls for full time. No. Arsenal v Man United. First game of this season. Now, let's go check the league table. Man United are 12th and they're playing Fulham in their next game. Bye guys, remember to like and subscribe. Turn notifications on. Thank you. Jim Marshall, Footy Fan, out.